polishing on her too.
Good. You're all right? Yeah, once you go where you pulled up.
Yeah, don't hit you. Make sure we don't want to scratch black paint. There we go.
I like it.
Man, it looks good on the new wheels. Very nice. And the new smoked headlights. Beautiful. So you guys are wondering about why Clint's car is back. We did a water pump on it a while back, and it is leaking again. Looks like, again, from the backing plate, so God only knows. But Dover actually kind of cut this out, modified that, so it clears the strut tower, cleans stuff up a little bit. So once it cools down, we're going to put another water pump on it. Alright, so there is the wounded S550 right there that we are putting a motor in. Let's go check this thing out. Alright.
That's what I was thinking when he did.
Wounded Coyote cold start. Yeah, you're good. Straight on. Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh, it's close. Oh, it's close. Ah, he's got it. He made it. Alright guys, so we got that one done. Got it off the trailer. This is the engine we're replacing it with. Just a stock engine. But it does alright. Still runs at the moment, but once you hit boost it starts you can hear what's going on. That's good. I think that thing go up that high.
I didn't think it would either. It'd go up.
There she be. Alright. Just wanted to show y'all real quick what we're working with here. I'm gonna put a motor in this one. It's making some weird noises, filling the catch cans, all that. But got the Roush supercharger just like Ken's did. But he's got the big VMP 67mm throttle body. It's a pretty sick S550. Got the VMP dual, triple, I don't know what they are. Triple pass, I guess. So yeah, we get to... Actually, Ken is going to put a motor in this one. Seriously making mine look stock. That should be a fun project. All right, so as promised, we have another guest today.
Hey, Charles.
Guest number 3, Mr. Dinkins. Let's see how his little car is coming along.
It's dirty.
Dude, she's out. I mean, like, you got exhaust on it too, don't you?
Oh, yeah, it's on there.
Look at there. There's tailpipes hanging down.
Got a little rubbing going on.
We got a seat in there. What's up with that? Very nice.
I'm put the other one in. It'll be in this afternoon.
I mean, dude, you almost got a whole car here.
Almost.
I love it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's loud. Freaking mod motors. Look at all the condensation. Yeah, you look good. Come on. Get clear. Man, looks good.
It don't sound necessarily like the other car.
Now, rev it up some more. It's kind of... It sounds like a coyote idling, but when you rev it up, it doesn't sound like a yodi. Yeah, it's definitely different. We're wondering how the 16 seats fit. He got them mounted up. They're good and solid. You can see the clearance everywhere is perfect, which kills me because these cars are, the S550s are so wide. But you can see the clearance. That looks freaking amazing. I love it.
But you can put
And
a
then
little
you can
thin
see all the
spacer.
black
You
interior.
can make it stick out exactly like that right there. It ain't gonna take much.
Looking good. All right, so we have a new water pump.
New water pump.
The small block Ford is back together.
Just in time for lunch, huh?
Exactly. She's looking good. So, get Clint's 91 all back together. And man, we just got the crew out. Alex showed up, brought everybody a monster. And you got enough to share though. Yep. Busy day. Think it's about time to get some lunch. I'm ready.
Always do lunch.
I'm ready. Hey, look. You see Ken out there filming. Y'all see Ken out there? He can squish his head. So yeah, guys, we got the there's the engine right there for the 2015 supercharged car. Ken's gonna be doing that swap. We got control pack being wired up in the Wild Strawberry car. Sheesh. Lots of stuff going on. The nice weather brings the cars out. It's freaking awesome. I think everybody's ready for spring. If I had any sense, I would have drove the foxbody today. But, you know, it is what it is. So, we're going to finish up this car and move on to some other projects. It's going to be freaking awesome. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Keep it tuned right here, guys. We got all kinds of stuff going. We're about to drop the Whippled Coyote into Lee's Vert. You do not want to miss that. And we should have engine updates on Jeremy's car, the Viper Blue Notch. So, in the meantime, go build your beast. Later.